If you're seeing a Monday.com error and your data won't sync, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to work without wasting time. We'll start with the simplest solution and move through the most effective troubleshooting steps until the error is gone. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the error is just a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is all it takes to reconnect Monday.com properly. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Make sure your network is stable, and if possible, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or try mobile hotspot to see whether the issue is coming from your connection. Next, disable any browser extensions that could interfere with Monday.com. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off ad blockers or any privacy tools that might block scripts or requests. After that, turn off any VPN or proxy you're using, then refresh Monday.com again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interrupt syncing or cause API request failures, so this step is very important. If the problem still continues, clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete, then select Cache and Cookies and clear them from your browser. Once that's done, restart the browser and try loading Monday.com again. This can remove corrupted session data that may be causing the sync error. If you still see the issue, sign out of Monday.com completely, then sign back in. A fresh login can reset your session and fix account authentication problems that sometimes trigger API request failed errors. After you sign back in, test the sync again and see if the data loads correctly. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. Start with the easiest option, then work your way down the list until Monday.com starts syncing normally again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Monday.com troubleshooting guides.